Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to speak on the topic ISIS, Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. ISIS is a terrorist organization that emerged in 2013 from an earlier extremist group in Iraq and Syria. It aimed to establish a so called Islamic State based on distorted and violent interpretation of religion. The group became infamous for its brutality, including mass killing, destruction of heritage sites, and attack on civilians across different countries. ISIS used social media and propaganda to recruit young people from various parts of the world. It exploited political instability, poverty, and religious misunderstanding to expand its influence. However, its actions were condemned by almost all the nations and religious leaders, including Muslim scholars who declared that ISIS do not represent true Islam. The International Committee formed coalitions to defeat ISIS military. Today, ISIS has lost most of its territory, but through its ideology still possess a threat through lone wolf attack and underground network. People were displaced from their homes in Iraq and Syria due to violence and fear. Women and children suffered the most, facing abuse, loss of education, and trauma. ISIS also destroyed ancient historical monuments, libraries, and religious places, which was of great loss to world heritage. This shows that does not only threaten security but also damages cultural and human values. Therefore, fighting ISIS is not just about defe- defeating an armed group but about rebuilding societies, protecting human rights, and preventing future generations from falling into the extremism through awareness and education.